In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who following you on Instagram. So firstly, sign in your Instagram account. Then click on followers. Just you click on this profile icon. Then click on profile. And in here, click on followers. So here you will find a list who following you. So it's a quick and easy method to see who following you on Instagram. Firstly, sign in your Instagram account, and then click on your Instagram profile icon, then click on profile, and here you will find option post followers and following. So just you need to click on followers to check who following you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.